Hello, my name is Andrew Pettigrew from Pettigrew Optometrists in Belfast. In this video I want to talk to you about how to buy good glasses. Buying glasses is actually a really tricky thing, and it's a really tricky thing for a bunch of different reasons. The first reason is that there is a technical element to it. So the size and the shape of the lens will affect the optical performance, so it will affect how well you see. The type of lens will make a difference, the material of the lens will make a difference, the coating of the lens will make a difference. There are thousands and thousands of different types of lenses available to us, and you need somebody to talk you through thoroughly about your occupation, your hobbies, your interests, as well as a whole bunch of other things before we can talk to you about what we think what different type of lens may work for you. The next thing is that your prescription and the lens type will affect what type of frame you choose. So what tends to happen in optometrists in the UK at the moment is you go and you have your eyes examined, and the optometrist checks your eye health and so on, finds your prescription, and then you go out and you have a chat with an optical assistant who will talk you through frames. The problem is that the information that the optometrist has gained during the eye examination is really useful to the optometric assistant. So what we do here at Pettigrew Optometrists is whenever we are asking one of our optical assistants to show frames to a patient, we'll talk them through the type of lens that we use, the prescription that we use, and we talk them through what size and shape of lens would be helpful, about different facial measurements. We'll talk about all sorts of different things that will help the optical performance of the lenses. There's an awful lot of nonsense talked about choosing a frame, and I have often found that patients come to me having fallen in love with a frame that actually just doesn't fit them. It feels like it fits them whenever they try them on, and it feels okay, but it feels an awful lot different once they've got their lenses in and they've maybe been wearing them for an hour or two. And we tend to forget that actually the fitting of the frame is really important. My advice is actually that the optical assistant has to be really experienced. So they've got to show you lots and lots of different frames, and you've got to try lots and lots of different frames on. Often your preconceptions aren't helping here, okay? So a lot of my patients feel that they only suit this type of frame, they only suit this type of frame. Actually, what you've got to do is you've got to try on loads of frames. Try on 50 frames, try on 100 frames. And what you'll know is you'll know very quickly that some of them are not going to work. Then other ones you think, oh, that's a maybe. And you set those ones to one side. Often the frame that you will end up with will be a frame that is completely different to the one you thought you were going to end up with. And that shows us that you've educated yourself as to what suits and what doesn't suit. So you can see that it's quite a complicated process, and that actually there's an awful lot of things that we can do to help you get very good glasses that you can see well through, that your eyes are comfortable, but also look really funky, look really cool, and are really comfortable too. Thank you very much for listening. For more information, check out our website www.pettigrewoptometrists.com.